Want to earn cash back on your everyday spending and potentially snag some sweet introductory offers? Welcome to a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Chase Freedom Flex credit card, a powerhouse for rewards. First things first, let's talk about eligibility generally. You'll need a good to excellent credit score, meaning a score of around 670 or higher. Consider your income, existing debts, and your overall credit history. This all plays a role in the approval process. Step 1. Head over to the official Chase website and locate the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. You can usually find it under the credit card section. Once you find the card, look for and click the Apply Now button. Step 2. The application form will start with your personal details. Will be asked for your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Have these readily available. Make sure to double-check everything for accuracy. Step 3. Next comes the financial information section. You will be asked about your employment status, annual income, and monthly rent or mortgage payment. Be truthful and precise. This information is used to assess your ability to repay the credit card debt. Step 4. Review the application carefully before submitting. Go through all the information, making sure everything is accurate, and then review the terms and conditions. Once you are sure everything is correct, submit your application. Step 5. Confirmation and waiting. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message. Chase may provide an instant decision, or they may require additional review. Be patient and check your email or the Chase online portal for updates. Key benefits of the Chase Freedom Flex include its compelling cash back rewards. You can earn 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories, gas stations, and grocery stores, 3% cash back on combined dining and drugstore purchases, and 1% on everything else in addition to the rewards. You could also score an introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for a certain period, which this can be helpful in managing your finances. Applying for the Chase Freedom Flex is a straightforward process, but being prepared and knowing the benefits is essential. This card can be a fantastic tool for maximizing your rewards and building your credit, so go ahead, apply, and start earning. Please do your own research and read up on all the terms and conditions before you apply. Thanks for watching, and good luck.